back. Welcome to our class again. Become partner with me, Bro Dwi is always become your best partner. This is our third day in this period, teman-teman. Let's discuss about transportation. Nah, teman-teman, when we talk about
Transportation.
transportation, I think that there are two types of transportation around us, yaitu adalah public transportation and private transportation. Nah, public transportation is kind of like a bus, train, or something else. So everyone can visit that place, yeah. And private, of course,
What?
yeah. Our vehicles like cars, motorbike, bicycle, or something else. Now, which one do you like, teman-teman? Between private transportation and public transportation, which one do you like?
That's one.
Private
Transportation
Public
because
Private.
I
public
can
transportation.
arrive
Private
at office
transportation.
faster.
Okay, because I can go to office directly, bro. Nah, that's about private ya, teman-teman ya.
I can prefer.
Mm-mm. When we all of us ya, when we take private transportation, I think we get traffic jam, teman-teman ya. So that's why one of the solution in the big city is public transportation. But it's okay, never mind, teman-teman, because something that we urgent needed, so we need about private transportation. Nah, when we talk about transportation, teman-teman ya, I have little bit bad experience, teman-teman, using public transportation in Indonesia, especially in my city, gengs. That's about bus.
Indonesia.
Nah, bus in Kediri and Jombang ya, around East Java lah ya, sekitar Jawa Timur like this one. We have public transportation bus, teman-teman. And one of my bad experience is Sugeng Rahayu atau Sumber Kencono. Kalau zaman dulu namanya Sumber Kencono ya, teman-teman ya. Maybe some of you when you are in the East Java atau Jawa Timur in Central Java atau mungkin Jawa Tengah, you know this bus, gengs ya. Nah,
Yes.
Sis Vining,
Sumber
ya
bencana.
Sumber Kencono like this one. Yeah, in that moment, teman-teman, I need to go to Yogyakarta instead because I have an kind of like business like this one. So I need to go to Yogyakarta. Nah, but in that moment, I try to look for train ticket, but there is no available anymore in that time. So that's why my friend suggest me to take bus. Nah, from Jombang to Yogyakarta. So because I don't know exactly, this is kind of like the first time ya, around 2000 and 2013 kalau nggak salah ya, 2013 something lah. Now, because I don't know exactly which one that I should take it, so I just look for in was it ask in the pedicab driver. Pedicab driver itu tukang becak, gengs. Nah, so
Mm.
sir, which one I should to go to Yogyakarta? Which one I should take this bus? Nah, the apa driver, pedicab driver suggest me you should go to Sumber Kencono. Sumber Kencono. So
Mm.
yeah, I just take it like this one. Nah, in my perspective that okay, this is like bus cepat, nah fast bus like
Mm.
this one. Okay, so I need this bus. Nah, so I take this bus. Nah, in that moment, teman-teman ya, in that way like this one. So you know what I feel, guys? You can imagine similar like roller coaster.
Mm.
That's really scary, you know.
Cepat
Nah,
jantung.
supirnya banting kiri, banting kanan.
Mm.
So yeah, I can go to Yogyakarta only 5 hours ya, gengs ya. Only 5 hours. Usually that we take a train around 6 hours or something that more than that. But in that moment, I only take around 5 hours. Okay, so yeah, I really happy because I can get fastest way to go my destination. But in other ways, teman-teman, that's really bad. I feel so, um, dizzy in that moment. Similar after take a roller coaster. When you ever take a roller coaster, you can feel it, gangs. That's my bad experience using public transportation in bus, ya teman-teman ya. What about you? Have you ever, guys, have bad experience using public transportation in Indonesia? Have you ever? Ada yang pernah nggak?
Ever.
Ever, Sis Vini, what is that?
Train.
Train. Where is?
Economic train. Surabaya to Banyuwangi.
Okay, can you share a little bit your experience, Sis Vini?
Yes, there is babies just crying all sepanjang perjalanan itu apa?
All the trip.
All the trip.
All
Yes,
all the trip.
like maybe 5 hours. So the mommy so calm down. Jadi kita tuh yang bingung, kayaknya terganggu gitu, nosy, annoying.
Okay, the passenger always distraught because
Distraught.
this baby always crying.
Yes.
Hmm. So is there any like was it another passenger give notice to his mom like this one? Mom, please calm down your baby like this one. Is there any someone?
Yes, there is, but I think the moms like just calm down, is kayak cuek masa bodoh gitu loh.
Okay, so in my perspective that this mommy really tired because of this baby, I think.
Maybe. Terus apa ya? She tell to our kepada kita gitu. Ya udah pindah aja gitu kan.
Okay, you can move from here.
Yes.
Ini nih ya. That's annoy passenger, gengs.
Tak cubit
Oke.
anaknya.
Tak cubit anaknya, jangan dong, tambah nangis ntar. Okay, enough, Sis Vini?
Enough.
Okay, yeah, that's about a little bit experience ya, Sis Vini, teman-teman story. Because the train, the baby always crying, start from Surabaya to Banyuwangi. Wow, that's really long distance sih, teman-teman ya. Oke, nah teman-teman, when we talk about transportation, nah so we have games. Coba diperhatikan teman-teman. Let's play the games. I will give you three statements about accommodation or transportation. We have to find which one is a lie. One person give one opinion and give the reason. Nah, the truth will be found by the end of this opinion. Okay, so prepare yourself, teman-teman. This is about our statement. Coba diperhatikan ya, statement-statementnya, teman-teman. The first statement, traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by short time traffic light. Kemacetan di Indonesia itu disebabkan oleh apa? Singkatnya, pendeknya lampu lalu lintas. Nah, cepet kayak gitu ya. Nah, and the second argument atau second statement, traffic jam Indonesia is caused by a number of vehicles. Kemacetan di Indonesia disebabkan oleh jumlah dari kendaraan. Nah, anything ya, public transportation juga kendaraan, private transportation juga kendaraan. Nah, so and the third statement, traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by disaster like flood. Example-nya ya. Jadi kemacetan di Indonesia disebabkan oleh bencana. Contohnya banjir. Nah, based on your perspective, which one is a lie? Coba teman-teman, give your best opinion, raise your hand. Tombol raise hand atau angkat tangan ada di bawah. Yuk, raise your hand guys. Which one is a lie, teman-teman? Menurut teman-teman, mana yang bohongan, yang kurang betul lah ya, yang bohong. Yo, which one, which one? Raise your hand, angkat tangannya. Oke, Sis Reza. Which one is a lie, Sis Reza?
Maybe the lie is first statement ya. In my opinion, because I live in Jakarta, I'm always in apa Matraman. I think the Matraman have a long time traffic light, and I always bad mood if I melewati itu apa ya?
Truth.
Through the street. So I always aku menghindari jalan itu sih.
I avoid.
Avoid the street.
Mm. Okay, because in the big city like Jakarta, you say that this is really long time for the traffic light, but this is still get traffic jam. Now, so that's why you always avoid that street because of the traffic. Even the duration of traffic light is longer. Okay, nice, nice.
Thank you for
Okay,
correction. Bro, I have a question. The chat box emang dibuat disable ya?
iya, kenapa?
Enggak. Biasanya soalnya mungkin biar lebih interaktif gitu, bisa ngetik juga.
Eh, kita lebih fokusnya di speaking aja, sis. Kalau
Oke.
di chatting bisa WA.
Oke.
Oke, yuk, what about the others, guys? Please, kita fokusnya di speaking ya, gengs ya, fokus kita. So, which one is a lie based on your perspective? Kalau sis Reza, the first statement, guys. Because in Matraman, Jakarta ya, they have long duration of the duration of the traffic light, but still traffic jam. Now, what about you? So, which one is a lie based on your perspective? Are you agree with
Indonesia
sis
is
Reza
caused
statement?
by a number of procedures.
Oke, sis Purwaningsih.
No, belum bisa.
Hello.
Kirain.
Bro.
Oke, halo Brother Azmi.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I cannot raise my hand, bro.
Iya, itu okay.
Because I'm on my way.
Okay. So, which one is a lie, Brother Azmi?
Yeah. I am the same opinion with Sis Reza because I am in Matraman, she's in Matraman too. Yeah. In Jakarta, how long traffic time? Might be 3 minutes, bro. 3 minutes.
What?
Not 1 minute or 2 minutes. 3 minutes in Jakarta. This too long time for traffic light. Yeah, 3 minutes. But the traffic I find it in the morning afternoon.
Wow, 3 minutes.
Yeah, 3 minutes in
Yeah.
Jakarta. Yeah, 3 minutes in Jakarta.
I can imagine that. So I waste my time in Jakarta.
I don't just you to don't take your time in Jakarta, bro. Okay, spend please your time in Kediri and so on, huh?
Yes, we have slow living, brother, in Kediri, brother.
Yeah. From my home to, for example, Matraman until Salemba, only 2 kilometer. I spend my time at around at about 20 minutes, bro, until 1 hour. You can imagine it.
Yeah. How
From
stressful
Matraman
you are.
until Salemba, only 2 until 3 kilo. I must spend 20 until 30 minutes.
Better you just take a walk, brother.
Yeah, this is better. And then actually, Mr. Anis' idea is good by bicycle. This is good too. But now it is impossible.
Yeah, because the governor
Yeah,
changed it.
the value of vehicle in Jakarta too more. Because from Bekasi, Tangerang, and so on, and then crowded in the morning, afternoon, and Jakarta government. What do you say? They have a good rule actually, ganjil genap, ganjil genap. But it is cannot find the problem. In the morning, afternoon, still we find our crowded in our street.
Oh, I see. Even the government give solution about ganjil genap, but this not really effective because there are many vehicles visit to
Nah, iya.
Jakarta. Not only about Jakarta people, but also around Jakarta, like
Around Jakarta,
Bogor, like
Bogor,
Bekasi.
Bekasi, Tangerang, and so on.
Oh,
Uh,
I see, I see. Nah, so I think that this is kind of like we know about the problem of the traffic jam in Jakarta. Nah, actually, this is not originally from Jakarta, but also another city around Jakarta. Oh, I see, I see.
ya.
Nice, thank you so much ya, Brother Asmi ya.
Oke, thank you bro.
Okay, anything else? Anything else, teman-teman? Ada lagi nggak? Wanna give your opinion, maybe?
It's me.
Okay, yuk, Brother Koirul.
Yeah. I think statement number 3, because our city in Pekanbaru, Riau, on the street available and so nice. I think that's good for traveling.
Okay, in Riau ya.
Yes, bro.
Okay, so number
That's it.
3, traffic jam is caused by disaster like flood. Because in Riau, Alhamdulillah, there is no flood, so that's why there is no traffic jam. Okay, siap.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, anything else sebelum kita bahas, teman-teman? Okay, there are 3 people tadi teman-teman ya, say that there are 2 people say that traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by short time. Okay, so ada si Serly. Yuk, si Serly. Serly. Mikrofonnya si Serly. Oke, mungkin ke Gigi dulu. Halo Gigi.
Halo Bro Dwi.
Oke. Which one is a lie, sis Gigi?
I think 3 points are all true, bro.
Okay, number 3 is true.
No, I mean 3 point of them all true.
Okay, why?
Yeah,
Why?
because for example in Jakarta there are many traffic light with short time. So the progress of physical to move it is only like little bit like that. And I make me angry with that. Only yeah, only move little bit. Not only in Jakarta, in Cianjur too, is like that. If you know Cianjur in Jawa Barat, that's why I think 3 point of them are true.
There
Yeah,
is no lie statement. All of
yeah,
them are true.
yeah.
Okay. Enough, sis Gigi?
Okay, that's enough, bro.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you.
you so much, sis Gigi. Sis Gigi say that no, bro, not all are lie, but all of them are true, katanya ya. Okay, sis Arli, can you open your microphone, maybe?
Yes, bro.
Okay, which one is lie based on your perspective?
In my opinion, traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by disaster. I think it's lie. Because if disaster is mean natural disaster,
Traffic jam in Indonesia and caused by short time traffic light.
Yeah,
not
sis Arli?
all uh, not all not all area uh,
Not all
not all
area.
area experience disaster, and disaster coming di waktu yang kita tidak tahu. So,
Okay.
disaster coming di waktu yang kita tidak tahu apa, bro?
We don't know exactly the time.
Yeah, we don't know the time. So okay lah. So the traffic jam is I think it's not because disaster, karena because ya bencana yang kita tidak tahu kapan datang gitu. It's my opinion. Thank you.
Okay, good. Thank you so much ya, Sis Shirley for your opinion. Nah, teman-teman ya, so I think that all of you have a statement based on this which one is a lie. And Sis Gigi say that no bro, all of them are true. There is no is lie katanya gitu ya. Nah, actually teman-teman, when we talk about traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by short time of traffic light. Now, like Shirley before there, yeah, we know that in some areas, like in the big city, not only about in the short time of traffic light, but also they have longer time of traffic light. But both of them, they have traffic jam too. Nah, but in the small city, kalau tadi kan in the big city ya, kalau in the small city, nah like Kediri, like example, even this is like a short time but we don't have traffic jam ya. So in Kediri alhamdulillahnya there is no traffic jam ya teman-teman ya. Even the traffic light only 60 second atau sometimes the red light only 55 second. Cuma hitungan detik doang, nggak semenit nggak ada. Nah, so there is no traffic jam anymore. Nah, so this kind of like depends about the city place, big city or small city. Nah, traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by number of vehicles, jumlah dari kendaraan. Nah, when we talk about in Jakarta, last time ya, there are many people talking about Jakarta. Yes, kalau Jakarta teman-teman, of course, because not only about Jakarta people, but also around city like Bekasi, Tangerang, Bogor, visit to Jakarta in one time, like in the morning ya, maybe they work in Jakarta, they have school, college in Jakarta. So that's why in that time, bareng-bareng jam 7 mabruk langsung. So that's we can say traffic jam ya. Karena semuanya ada jumlahnya. Nah, but compare to small city ya, small city like Blitar maybe atau mungkin in the small city like this one, even a lot of vehicles here, but there is no traffic jam. Nah, maybe some of you realize ya teman-teman ya, one family you have two cars, mungkin satu keluarga ada dua mobil, and one family they have more than two motorcycles, satu keluarga mungkin lebih dari dua motornya. Nah, so that's why even we have numbers of vehicles a lot like this one, but in the small city there is no traffic jam anymore. Nah, itu dia teman-teman. And the last, traffic jam in Indonesia cause disaster atau flood di sini contohnya ya teman-teman ya. Nah, even right now we are rainy season. Sekarang kan rainy season ya teman-teman ya. And there are there are some areas they get flood like this one. Yeah, like in Jakarta, Surabaya, or something else, in part of road or street, they have flood. Even this is not high like this one, but this is for enough. The people can stuck about their journey atau their way like this one. Nah, so this is could be like a traffic jam. But in other places, like maybe in Jombang, like in mana lagi, Tulungagung, so there is no traffic jam because of flood like this one. Nah, so that's why this is depends about the place. So which one is lie? Sis Gigi benar. No one lie and no one true like this one. So this is depends about the place. Gitu dia teman-teman. Nah, ngeselin ya. Ngapain kita debat dari tadi? Oke, nah when we talk about transportation ya teman-teman ya. So we have box of vocabularies. Sebelum habis ini kita akan praktis seperti biasa. For the first one, of course, we have the most useful public transportation in Indonesia, yaitu adalah bus. So we can say by bus. Coba bareng-bareng ya, by bus.
By bus.
Baik, guys.
By bus.
Betul, yaitu adalah bus ya teman-teman ya. And the
By
next one,
bus.
ada vehicle. Everybody say vehicle.
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 Betul,
Bye-bye.
vehicle, yaitu adalah kendaraan. Ada yang mengucapkan vehicle, bro. Sama ya, vehicle sama aja.
Vehicle.
But B bukan vehicle.
Sorry?
Vehicle.
Biasanya kan orang menggunakan itu kan V bukan V. Biasanya orang menggunakan V bukan V. Ya.
Yeah.
Itu kan
In good pronunciation, we can say vehicle like this one. Nah,
Vehicle.
but sometimes orang Indonesia, bro, itu V aja, vehicle. Yes, it's okay. I can still appreciate it like this one. But in a good pronunciation, we can say V. Ya. Vavivu vevo. Nah, itu dia. Next, selanjutnya ada bicycle or bike. Coba bareng-bareng ya. Bicycle or bike.
Bicycle or bike.
Yes,
Bicycle
bicycle
or
or bike
bike.
yaitu adalah sepeda, ya. Next,
Bicycle or bike.
we have bus station. Apa teman-teman?
Bus
station.
Yes, bus station itu adalah terminal, teman-teman ya. Nah, kalau terminal, teman-teman, itu adalah bus station. Kalau halte, ayo ada yang tahu nggak halte?
Bus stop.
Betul sekali. Bus stop.
Stop.
Nah, itu ya. Jadi kalau bus stop itu yang di pinggir jalan, halte. But kalau bus station yang besar, yang
Besar.
terminalnya itu ya. Next, mobil as far as we know adalah car. Apa guys, mobil?
Car.
Yes, car.
Car.
Dan untuk sepeda motor, pasti ya, motorcycle or motorbike. Nah, apa teman-teman sepeda motor?
Motorcycle or motorbike.
Betul. Next.
Dua.
Nah, ini teman-teman, jalan tol. Nah, ya, not all people know it. Jalan tol apa sih, brother? Jalan tol itu adalah freeway. Apa teman-teman jalan tol?
Freeway.
Freeway. Tapi kok nggak free, bro? Bayar, bro.
Freeway.
Nah, ini namanya doang ya, teman-teman ya, freeway. Maksudnya adalah bebas hambatan ya. Bukan free nggak bayar ya, dimarahin sama pengusahanya nih, gengs.
tapi faktanya di Indonesia macet.
Oh iya, bro, saya naik jalan tol bayar, tapi kok tetap macet ya, itu ya problematikanya, teman-teman.
Freeway.
Next, after jalan tol, teman-teman, ada juga highway. Apa, teman-teman?
Highway.
Nah, itu adalah jalan raya ya, teman-teman ya. Jalan raya yang sepeda motor masih boleh lewat lah. Next,
Highway.
yaitu adalah rail. Everybody say rail. Nah, secara
Rail.
tidak langsung, teman-teman, ketika kita menyebutkan jalannya kereta atau apa lintasannya kereta, rel, ternyata itu bahasa Inggris ya, gengs ya. Kalau di Indonesia itu kan banyak yang
Rail.
serapan, bahasa serapan itu ya, teman-teman ya, rail.
Rail.
Next, kalau jalan kereta adalah rail, kalau kereta apinya adalah
Train.
train, betul.
Train.
Kalau pesawatnya adalah
Airplane.
airplane. Betul. Nah, kalau taksi tetap saja taxi. Sama ya, taksi, teman-teman ya. Nah, kalau tadi ada kereta api adalah train. Nah, kalau sekarang ada kereta bawah tanah, teman-teman. So we can say subway. Apa teman-teman kereta bawah tanah?
Subway.
Yes, subway itu adalah kereta bawah tanah. Loh bro, subway itu bukannya rumah makan. Beda ya teman-teman ya.
Subway.
Next, ada kapal yang kecil, yaitu adalah apa teman-teman kapal yang kecil? Boat, betul. Terus kapal yang besar, yaitu namanya ship. Apa teman-teman kapal yang besar?
Ship.
Betul. Kalau kapal pengangkut kendaraan juga, namanya adalah
Ferry.
Betul. Nah, jadi teman-teman kapal saja itu ada ini ya, bermacam-macam ya. Ada boat yang kecil, ship yang besar, ferry itu untuk kapal-kapal barang gitu ya. Next, selanjutnya.
Kapal pesiar, bro. Apa, bro?
Apa?
Kapal pesiar. Kapal pesiar.
Ya, cruise ship. Kalau kapal pesiar tergolongnya ship, jadinya adalah cruise ship. Betul. Next, ada port or harbor. Coba bareng-bareng ya. Port or harbor.
Port harbor.
Betul. Ini adalah pelabuhan ya. Ini typo teman-teman ya. Pelabuhan nih.
Harbor.
Mm-mm. Terus tadi udah Brody mention becak. Nah, becak itu adalah pedicab. Apa
Cap.
teman-teman? Becak?
Pedicab.
Betul.
Pedicab.
Pedicab yaitu adalah becak. Next ada carriage. Coba bareng-bareng ya. Carriage.
Carriage.
Jerman ya.
Mm-mm.
Carriage.
Itu adalah delman, teman-teman. Terus ada juga price. Everybody say price.
Price.
Betul. Price itu adalah harga. Nah, jadi kayak
Price.
tiket price. Nah, tiket harga tiket. Terus juga ada tiket fee juga bisa, teman-teman ya. That's about harganya. Next, ada namanya back and forth or commute. Nah, coba bareng-bareng ya. Back and forth or commute.
Back
and forth
Betul. Ini adalah bolak-balik atau kita nyebutnya PP, pulang pergi. Nah, itu dia teman-teman.
Back and forth.
Nah, makanya teman-teman kalau di Jakarta misalkan ya, ada yang namanya komuter line. Komuter line itu keretanya bolak-balik ya teman-teman ya. Next, ada driving license. Apa teman-teman?
License.
Driving license.
Surat izin mengemudi.
Ya, itu adalah SIM ya teman-teman ya. Driving license. Do you have driving license, guys?
Yes.
No, I don't have.
I
I don't
have.
have because I'm young.
I have, bro. Of course lah, warga negara yang baik kok ya harus punya dong. Tapi beli. Oke. So, teman-teman, this is about our vocabularies ya seputar transportation. And the next, teman-teman, coba diperhatikan. We have a question to practice in the breakout room. Do you prefer using public transportation or private transportation? And give your reason. Nah, why ya? Terus, do you have car sick or sea sick? Car sick itu adalah mabuk darat. Sea sick itu adalah mabuk laut. Itu ya bedanya di sana, teman-teman. Oh. And how to deal with it? Gimana cara mengatasinya? Kalau teman-teman lagi misalkan mabuk darat, itu mengatasinya gimana? Mabuk laut juga gimana? Minum antimo, bro, misalkan kayak gitu. Silakan aja ya. Terus, what is the famous transportation in Indonesia? Menurut teman-teman, transportasi yang paling terkenal di Indonesia kira-kira apa? Terus, what is the most useful transportation in your city? Kira-kira transportasi yang paling berguna di kotanya teman-teman apa kira-kira? And why? Give your reason. And how do you go to your school or work? Bagaimana teman-teman pergi ke sekolah atau mungkin kuliah ya, atau mungkin pergi bekerja itu menggunakan transportasi apa? Oke, yuk teman-teman, kalau mau di screenshot boleh, di foto nggak apa-apa, di modul juga sudah ada ya teman-teman ya. Yuk, let's start it, gengs. Let's move to our breakout room. Kita akan move ke small room ya teman-teman ya. Minimalnya teman-teman please open your microphone ya. Syukur-syukur open kamera biar kita saling mengenal satu sama lain. So,